Well, my friends, there are huge developments that are being made to President Biden's Build Back Better bill. Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer has proposed a brand new relief plan that would provide millions of Americans with additional checks. So, my friends, please make sure to stay tuned until the end of this video to learn how you can receive over $1,000 payments very soon. Also, share this video on social media and with your friends and family if they need more honest stimulus news. If you're interested in entering this coming Friday's Walmart gift card giveaway, watch until the end of this video for the key word.
And the immediate relief through the American Rescue Plan has brought back our economy from the worst economic crisis in nearly a century. America is now on track. We're now on track for the highest economic growth in 40 years and among the highest growth records on record. We designed our economic strategy to be durable to the ups and downs that come with recovery. There are ups and downs. That's why the American Rescue Plan was designed to help people not just all at once, but over the course of a full year. So we could continue supporting families, small businesses, state and local budgets to help them weather those ups and downs. And now that the economy is back on track, we're making progress on the second phase of our strategy, ensuring long-term growth. That's what my Build Back Better agenda, including my Americans Family Plan and the bipartisan infrastructure agreement we reached last month, that's what they're all about, long-term.
Many homeowners have experienced income loss in the course of this crisis. And while some may have recovered from the events of the past 2 years, many homeowners might still be struggling to keep up with their housing payments, especially in the light of this recent inflation. Early on in the crisis, homeowners were provided the option to hit pause on their mortgage payments via a process known as forbearance. But that option expired after 18 months, which means mortgage borrowers who took advantage of it early may have exhausted that relief months ago. The great news, friends, is that there's still relief available for homeowners who are still struggling to pay their housing expenses. And some homeowners could be eligible for as much as $80,000 in aid. While certain protections like mortgage forbearance have largely run out of this stage of the game, there is still some aid available for property owners, and that's thanks to the Homeowner Assistance Fund. This fund has a good $10 billion available to pay homeowners who are still behind on their mortgage and other housing-related expenses. As was the case with rental assistance funds, money from the Homeowner Assistance Fund will be given out at the state level, but many eligible recipients will be in line for anywhere from $15,000 to $80,000. This money can cover expenses including mortgage payments, property tax bills, homeowners insurance fees, HOA fees, utilities, and some certain home repairs. Now, friends, I know that many of you are also wondering who is eligible for this housing aid. To qualify for this aid under the program, homeowners will need to show that they experience a financial hardship related to the crisis. They will also need to have a household income that is below 150% of their area's median income, or below $79,990. Applicants will also have to show proof that they have fallen behind on their housing payments. This means that those who are at risk of missing a mortgage payment but have not actually done so yet can still qualify. Since the program is being run at the state level, the application process can vary from state to state. The National Council of State Housing Agencies has an official map where those looking for aid can learn more about how to apply in their respective states. So for those seeking aid, you should be aware that not every U.S. state has started the application process as of yet, but anyone in need of this assistance should not hesitate to start exploring their options immediately. While $10 billion might seem like a pretty generous pool of money, those funds could run out very quickly, just as some states have exhausted their rental assistance funds. So, my friends, what are your thoughts on this relief program? Do you think that more relief should be sent out Please leave your thoughts in the comments section below. Friends, the keyword for this video is Arizona. If you would like to enter this coming Friday's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like my videos. Comment below this keyword and additional keywords from any video of mine that you watch. And please do make sure that you are also subscribed to my channel. Of a revival of the Democrats' legislative agenda, announcing hearings on proposals to deal with spiking inflation. Chuck Schumer's letter to his colleagues marks a clear step towards a resuscitated spending plan that might be more in line with the parameters set out last week by Senate Democrat Joe Manchin. Schumer said, "In reconciliation, Senate Democrats have introduced additional legislative proposals to lower the rising cost of energy, prescriptions, and health care, and the cost of raising a family," of a potential party line proposal that he could support, one that would address inflation and deficit reduction, as well as make moves to lower prescription drug costs. In his letter, Chuck Schumer indicated that the Senate Finance Committee would hold a hearing this week on prescription prices. In addition, Schumer said that Democrats are working with Senate Republicans on bipartisan proposals, including reducing the cost of insulin and addressing the cost of meat. Chuck Schumer also stated that negotiators worked through this past weekend on a government funding package that will help with additional money for the crisis. According to Chuck Schumer, Democrats have made Republicans a global offer. Ahead of Friday's expiration of current funding, Schumer stated, "It is my hope that we will reach an agreement very soon, so that when we can meet the March 11th government funding deadline." Well, my great friends, you've come to the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so very, very much for everyone who's watching and for everyone who is watching my videos daily. I greatly appreciate all of you. Please, friends, do me a big favor and share this video with your friends and family if they need more reliable and accurate stimulus news information. Thank you so much and have a wonderful and blessed Monday.